In this video, I'm going to teach a very useful tutorial on how to fix a blurry fonts issue in Windows 11 PC or laptops. As you can see, my text has been blurred. So if you, in your case, you have faced a similar issue, then let's fix it together. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this window, okay? And once it's here, please navigate to the option called Open. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings. So here, please proceed to the left pane of that. You can see there a list of the option. Please navigate with the option called System, which is next to Home. So tap the net and you would be able to bring up the system settings. Please scroll down on the list and navigate with About, which contains a device specification, rename PC, Windows specification, and more. So under the device specification, there you can see related links, which are being composed of three. Please proceed to the third one, which is Advanced System Settings. Tap the net, and eventually this kind of window would appear. So as you can see, the text has been blurry here as well. Okay, so in order to fix such, you need to navigate with Performance. So click on Settings. Okay, so this window is a very crucial window or a very important video because here in this video we can fix the problem. Okay, so here you need to locate with smooth edges of screen fans. So this option is very crucial because we need to enable this one. So we need to enable this one. So check the box, and the moment you have checked the box or enable it, click on Apply, and from here, go with Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. So turn it on and click on Apply as well and click on OK and then click on OK. And whenever you click on Advanced System Settings again, there you can see that the text has been fixed and it's not being blurry anymore. Okay, so if you would look at the desktop as well, the text has been fixed as well. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. So thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.